Hi, Colin with Diode Dynamics. Today I'm excited to share with you 4 new Stage Series kits for the 2021 and up Ford F-150. If you'd like to learn more detailed information about any of these kits that we've covered in this video, click the playlist at the end of the video or visit the description box below. If you aren't already familiar with our Stage Series product line, all of our pods feature a powerful main beam in either our Sport or Pro power level, as well as a backlight to be used as an ambient accent light to make your truck stand out. Each of these kits were designed, tested, and assembled right here in the US to bolt directly to factory mounting points requiring zero cutting or drilling, all backed by an 8-year warranty. Looking down at our fog pocket kit, this kit allows you to replace your factory halogen or LED fogs with a pair of our road legal SS3 fog lights alongside a pair of our SS3s in our combo optic for powerful off-road lighting. Our SS3 fogs provide a significant increase in light output compared to your factory fog lights, and you get the addition of high-powered off-road lighting. The best part about this kit is that it plugs directly into your factory fog light connector, so your fog lights will function just like your factory lights did. The off-road lights are controlled independently at the flip of a switch. We offer these kits in your choice of 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow in the fog light main beam, as well as an amber backlight. Coming up a bit to the grill, we have our SS5 bumper or our SS5 CrossLink Lightbar kit. Our bumper kit allows for you to bolt up 2 of our SS5 LED pods in front of your grill, while our SS5 grill kit allows you to mount a 5-pod linked light bar across the grill using our patent-pending CrossLink technology. Both kits' main beams also come in either a 6000K cool white or a 3000K selective yellow. In addition to the insanely bright main beam, our SS5s will also give you a built-in selectable backlight with 8 color options in our white pods and a single amber backlight in our yellow pods. These can be easily cycled at the flip of a switch without any extra controllers or wiring. Moving up above the hood, you'll see our Stage Series ditch light kit. This kit allows you to mount a pair of our SS3s or SSC2s above your hood. Both options come in our combo optic to provide you with that high intensity output downrange, as well as added fill light directly in front of your truck. And just like our last 2 kits, we offer these in a 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow output, along with an amber backlight. Lastly, if we move around the back of the truck, you'll see our Stage Series reverse light kit. This kit allows you to mount a pair of our SSC2s or SSC1s under your rear bumper to provide a high power reverse light and a red backlight. Using the included harness, the red accent light was designed to run alongside your taillights and then automatically switch to a high power backup light when your vehicle is put in reverse. The included toggle switch also allows you to override the vehicle's signals to turn on the main beam at any time. If you're interested in picking up one of these kits or any of our other products, visit our website at dowdynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you're interested in staying updated on any of our new products, make sure you like, subscribe, and click that notifications bell below. Thanks for watching.